Hey enthusiastic tech lovers, welcome to the Tech House channel. As you have already known what the video is going to about from the thumbnail, so let's get started. From the recent leaks and the rumors, we're gonna break down the specification of OnePlus Smartwatch. So stick with us till the end of this video. First thing first, it will be launched on March 23 along with OnePlus 9 series on the same event. OnePlus Smartwatch will have every kind of specifications as the other smartwatch out there. OnePlus Smartwatch will have circular face of 46 mm. It will obviously support Google Wear OS. It will have all kind of sensor as the other smartwatch out there, like sleep, stress, blood saturation, heart rate sensors. For power, it will support rapid charge, which can give up to week of power in just 20 minutes of charge as confirmed by the OnePlus. It will have 4 GB of storage capacity. It can be paired with OnePlus device for notifications and call. It will have the official IP68 certification. OnePlus smartwatch may follow Oppo smartwatch, as both OnePlus and Oppo are sister concern company. OnePlus smartwatch may have all the specifications of Oppo smartwatch, or it may look like as Oppo smartwatch. To find out, let's wait for the date March 23. If you enjoy this kind of video, make sure to subscribe to us and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll catch you around. Peace.